So you want to be an entrepreneur in the beauty industry. You can see there is a massive amount of money to be made and a huge range of options on how to make it. You can become a therapist and work from home or have a salon. If you are already a trained therapist, you can make money by training others. Perhaps you already do face-to-face training, but you are limited in your client reach. Imagine if there was a way you could make money selling courses to customers all over the world and you didn't even have to create a single course. Did you know you can resell high-demand online courses, and make huge profit without leaving home? Reselling beauty courses has become so popular because it requires no experience and very little effort from your side to get up and running. With the widespread use of the internet, there are many people who have been able to generate their entire income as a beauty course reseller. There are two main ways of making income from online courses. You can become an affiliate or a reseller. You can even combine both and make even more money. Let's look first at becoming an affiliate. Reselling the courses as an affiliate requires no financial investment. All you need to do is add affiliate links to your website. Don't have a website? No problem, you can add links to a link tree in your social media page. You can get one of these free from your beauty courses or create one in Canva. So how much will you make? Take your beauty courses, for instance. We pay 50% commission on beauty courses. Most courses sell for around $200, so you make $100. You even have the opportunity to get 10% commission on the beauty machines your students will need. These sell for up to $7,000. Once you send a client to our website, you will receive a commission on anything they purchase for 30 days. You don't even need to link directly to the product. If you have a social media or website following in the beauty industry, you could easily make hundreds or even thousands of dollars a week, and you don't have to lift a finger. Okay, so now let's look at what it means to be a reseller. The amount of investment required in becoming a reseller is minimal, and unlike being an affiliate, you have the opportunity to set your own pricing. You have more control as it is more like your own business. You collect the money and keep all of it. When the client makes the purchase, all you have to do is provide them with the access link and password to the course. So how do you combine being an affiliate and a reseller? You may choose to resell only one course, and use affiliate links for the others. You may also like to offer courses as a reseller, and use affiliate links for the purchase of machines your students will need to start their businesses. No other reseller or affiliate opportunity offers as much flexibility as reselling with your beauty courses, especially if you are in the beauty industry already. You are free to set your own schedules and earn an unlimited amount of affiliate commission or reseller income. There are very few skill requirements needed to start, operate, and run a beauty course reselling business profitably. Get started. Join us today.